from the Warrior Woodshop. We are just days away from Santa visiting, well, the real Santa visiting right here at the Warrior Woodshop. He's going to be here Saturday night, December 16th. He's going to arrive at 6 p.m. on the Polar Express. So, of course, if we're bringing the Polar Express, there's definitely going to be some hot chocolate. He'll hang out with us right here till 8 o'clock, getting photos. So stop by, get your hot chocolate, step on inside the workshop, get some tours from the Warrior Woodshop students, see some tool demos, and they also helped us out with some baked goods, so we're going to have a bake sale. We're also going to raffle off a couple charcuterie boards, and a couple of the friends and family have given away or donated some gift baskets to also auction and raffle off. So hope to see you there, 6 p.m. Saturday night, December 16th. We're going to hang out here till 8 o'clock. All the proceeds go to help the Warrior Woodshop students get to the state competition this spring. And since Santa's sleigh is going to be out of commission, the students are going to earn their spot. They just need help with the transportation cost to get from here to that competition. So that's where all the proceeds are going to go from the Santa night, the holiday workshop open house from 6 to 8 p.m. on December 16th. So Merry Christmas from the Warrior Woodshop. Hope to see you at our Santa night. All I have to say is, go out and make some sawdust.